Hey lovelies, today we're going to be talking about solving inequalities, okay? Inequalities are not the same thing as equations, but we're going to go ahead and they have the same rules-ish. We're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, go ahead and title this Writing and Graphing Inequalities, and your essential question is, what is the difference between an equation and inequality? Okay, first off, here's the definition of inequality. It's a mathematical sentence that compares expressions. When you're looking at an inequality, you're looking at these signs instead of equal. So no equal sign, okay? Yes, it's going to have that less than equal to, greater than equal to, those signs, okay? One of those four. Okay, solution of an inequality is what makes it true. If it's false, it's not a part of the solution, okay? Not a part. We're looking for anything that's true. And the solution set is all of the numbers that are true. All the numbers that are true, okay? So the set of all the solutions, all the numbers that are true. Okay, let's go ahead and start off by, how do we write inequalities? All right, our first example, we're going to write the word sentence as an inequality. A number B is fewer than 30.4. So 30.4 and B, okay, a number is going to be less than it. A number is going to be less than it. So B needs to be smaller. Can it be 30.4? A number B is fewer. Nope. So that's how we write it. Okay. The symbol, remember the symbol needs to be eating the bigger number. 30.4 is the bigger number, and so it needs to be eating the bigger number. Okay, number two. Twice a number k to 2 times k is at least negative 7.10. At least. The smallest number, k, is negative 7.10. So 2 times k is bigger, eating the bigger number, and at least, so it can be that number as well. All right. Example 3. Now we're going to talk about solution sets, okay? Solution. Is negative 6 making the statement true? If we plug in negative 6, is the statement true, is what it's asking. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, is it less than negative 1? 6 plus 4 is 10. Is 10 less than negative 1? No, this is false. So, no. Not a solution. Okay, number 4. 5 minus negative 6, is it less than equal to 10? 5 minus negative 6. Keep, change. Copy, change. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Is 11 less than equal to 10? No. So, not a solution. All right, last one, example 5. Okay, 21 divided by negative 6, is that less than equal to negative 3.5? Yes, you can use calculators. We've talked about this. You can put this into a calculator. So negative 21 21 divided by negative 6 is negative 3.5. Is that greater than or equal to negative 3.5? True. So, yes, it is a solution. Okay, so we talked about how to write it. We talked about what's a solution and what's not a solution. And here's what it means for an inequality. Let's go ahead and get to the big picture problems that we are talking about for solving inequalities. Okay, so here's what it means. When we graph the solution set, It's going to be shaded. It's going to be an answer. There's multiple answers to inequalities. There's not multiple answers to equations. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. That's what you should be putting down for your central question. Multiple answers for inequalities, not for equations. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve number 6. Okay, parentheses, no. Like terms, no. Undo addition and subtraction, no. So there is nothing to solve, just complete graphing. So here's how we graph on the number line. Here's what I expect to see. So b is greater than -8. So I want to see 0. Show me where 0 is. Now what direction is -8 to 0? To the left. Write down -8, and then let's go ahead and write down +8. Okay? Show me where the 0 is, showing me the number that you want, and showing me its opposites. Okay, now, so b is greater than -8. We're going to put a circle at -8, okay, and we are going to shade to the right. All of these are solutions. We are not going to shade into the circle because b cannot be -8. So, open circle, not a solution. Let's go ahead and look at 7. Here's how we graph 7. On a number line, I want to see 0. Okay. I want to see 1.4. I want to see the opposite of 1.4, -1.4. Okay, put a circle at 1.4 and fill it in because it says it's equal to. It is equal to. So filled in circle. It is a solution. It is a solution. Okay, and g is smaller, it's eating the bigger number, so we're going to shade to the left. And here's all our solution, here's all of our answers, here's all our possibilities to make this statement true. 8. To graph, I want to see 0, I want to see -1/2, I want to see the opposite, +1/2. Okay, open or close circle is what we're thinking about now. There's no line underneath saying it's equal to, so it's an open circle. Open circle. All right, so here's our cheat sheet. If it says less than or greater than, open. If it says less than equal to, greater than equal to, closed. Okay, now we're going to shade where r is less than, so to the left. R is less than, so that's to the left. All right, let's go ahead and move on to those on your own problems. Go ahead and pause your video, work on these on your own problems. Thank you for pausing your video. Here's what you should have gotten when you wrote down the inequality, and then here's what you should have got when you graphed it. Okay, open, shaded to the right, closed, shaded to the left. Again, all I expect to see is 0, -2.9, and then +2.9. Then I expect to see shaded in -5.25 and then 2.25. So I will be able to check to see who of you is just writing down the answers by not following my directions. Okay, go ahead and answer this essential question, what's the difference, and take that checkpoint. I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye guys.